Come on, let me show you how to do love design on gypsum board like this. You can see first step that you need to take is to take your level, which I am doing already. Then after taking your level, you have to knock a wall angle, which the video may not cover, but you can see now that I've knocked my wall angle already. I've knocked my wall angle, and there are some work that I've done there already, which you all know if you're into this work, if you're into gypsum work. Then after knocking the wall angle, and I've come to this level, and now I am almost done with the flaming, just to board now. And from the boarding, then we'll go straight to the design right away. Here I bought the middle, the space for the design, where I can design, I can put the heart logo. Okay, now I've bought. So the next thing now is to measure from this angle to the other angle, and to get the center of the ceiling. That is to get the middle of the ceiling. After getting the middle, then I can take my measurement for the loft. Now you can see I am measuring it now to get the middle, the center of the ceiling. Okay, now I've gotten the middle. You can see now I'm getting the line I want to draw. I measure the profile and I put something in, which you all know. Then I'm done with measurement. You can see. Then the place, I trace it. Then I now put my wall angle on the ceiling and I screw. Okay, after this, you make sure the mouth is intact, because the place that show much interest in this work is the front, that is the tail where I am currently, this place, and the back. Okay, if you miss those places, then what you're doing is useless, it's valueless. Now I'm done with this one. And please, before I forget, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please help us subscribe and share, like, and leave a comment, ask your question if any. Thank you. Then the next step, now I'm going to buzz this. You can see now I open this place because it will be okay for screw to come from board to wall angle or profile than from wall angle or profile to board, because board cannot be. So if you just do it like this and you leave it, then that means you're fucked up, you've messed up. So in order not to mess up, you have to buzz the middle so that you can be able to pass a profile or a wall angle, but profile preferably. You pass a profile through to inside, then you screw, so that the screw now can pass through this wall angle straight after pass the board and go to the profile here, so it will be strong. And I can assure you that after doing this thing, your work will be strong and it will stand here for a long time. And after doing that, you can see now that I am putting the board. I cut the board. Okay, you cut the board depending on how long, how wide or how big you want your design to be. So I cut mine according to my design, and I slice it. Someone will say, how did you manage to cut the board? Yes, I slice the back, either back or front, either any of them can work. Then I slice it and I put one at the mouth so that I can cover it. Now I am done putting the wall angle. While you're doing this, please make sure you check your work. Check your work for accuracy. Check your work always. Don't wait for anybody to come and tell you that you need to amend this place as a gypsum installer before you know. You being a gypsum installer, you need to know where is straight, where is not straight, or what you need to do. Okay, you don't need approval from anybody. You can approve your work for yourself. You can see now I have covered it. I don't cover everything with the video again because it will be long, this strength will be long. So I think I want to drop this short now for you. This is a love, this is a heart design I'm doing on the ceiling, and you can see now that it's perfectly made and it's perfectly designed. You can see the mouth, that is the front, and the back, how beautiful it is. And we are all open for business. Hold on, hand. I am the one giving you the hearts. Oh, take it. You can see the work. It is done. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We love you. Please subscribe.